Chapter 3 Agriculture and Industries. Agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of our country. Nearly 60% of the total population is directly or indirectly dependent on agriculture. Growing different types of crops is their livelihood. Agriculture provides food for the people and raw materials for industries. There are two different agricultural seasons in our country. The Kharif season starts when pre-monsoon showers. The main Kharif crops are rice, maize, millets, pulses, groundnut, cotton and jute. The Rabi season starts when the rainy season is over. The main Rabi crops are wheat, gram, mustard, barley and oilseeds. India has a favorable climate for growing crops. The soil is fertile and we have sufficient irrigation facilities. So farmers grow many crops throughout the year. Food crops are grown to feed the people of the country. The main food crops grown in India are rice, wheat, maize, millets and pulses. Cash crops are grown for selling in the market. They help the farmer to earn money. The main cash crops are sugarcane, jute, oilseeds, cotton, tea, coffee, coconut and spices. In India, there is a continuous progress in agriculture. This is due to improved irrigation facilities, improved seeds, use of chemical fertilizers, manure, and pesticides. This is called Green Revolution. Food crops. The most important food crop is rice. It is the staple food of people living in the eastern and southern part of India. Rice grows well in places where a good amount of water is available and climate is hot. It is grown in almost all the states, but the main rice growing areas are Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Assam, Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. More than 4,000 varieties of rice are grown in India. It is the second largest producer of rice after China. Wheat is the second most important food crop in India. It grows well in cool and moist climate. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are the main wheat producing states. Millets or coarse grains include jawar, bajra and ragi are usually grown in areas where it is not possible to grow rice and wheat. The states where these grains are grown are Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Pulses are very rich sources of proteins. They are used as fodder for cattle. Hence, they are grown on a large scale. Bengal gram, green gram, black gram are some of the pulses. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world. Cash crops. Sugarcane grows well in hot and wet climate. It belongs to the bamboo family of plants. It is the main source of jaggery and sugar. India is the world's second largest sugarcane producer. Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of this crop, followed by Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Punjab. Jute and cotton are fiber crops. Jute is used to make bags, carpets and many other things. It is produced mainly in West Bengal, Assam and Odisha. Cotton is grown in Punjab, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Oilseeds include mustard, groundnut, linseed, sesame and sunflower. They are grown in different parts of the country. The oil extracted from these oilseeds is called vegetable oil. It is used a lot in Indian cooking. Tea grows best in the hilly areas with abundant rainfall. India is the largest producer of tea in the world. It is mainly grown in Assam, West Bengal and the Nilgiri hills of Tamil Nadu. Coffee is grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Tea, coffee and rubber are grown on special farms. They are also called plantation crops. Spices include pepper, cinnamon, chilies, clove, ginger and cardamom. These are grown in Kerala and Karnataka. Livestock rearing. Cattle give us milk. Milk products, such as curd, cheese, butter, and sweets are important part of our food. Bulls and oxen are used to plow the fields. Oxen, horses, and bulls are also used to pull carts in order to carry foods to the market. Sheep are reared to provide us wool. Camels are used to carry goods and people from place to place in the desert regions. Cattle waste is used as manure and to produce biogas. Fishes are an important source of food, especially in the coastal areas. India has a long coastline. The main varieties of fish caught in India are herring, sardines, tuna, salmon, and mackerel in open seas. The fishing industry is progressing due to modern fishing boats, better fishing nets, cold storage facilities, and processing facilities. Other animals are also important. We get wool from the hair of sheep and camels. The meat of animal is also eaten. The skin of various animals is used to make leather goods. Camels are very useful in desert. Elephants are tamed to work in forests. Mules and yaks are used to transport people and goods in hilly regions. India has the largest number of cattle in the world. The government is making efforts to give them a rich diet. There are many hospitals to treat sick animals. New breeds of cattle have also been introduced. All this has led to an increase in milk production. Industries. We cannot use wheat directly. We have to first convert it into flour and then into bread. Similarly, we cannot use cotton directly. We have to use it in making clothes. Wheat and cotton are raw materials and flour and cloth are the finished products. Raw materials are converted into finished goods by an industry. There are many types of industries in India. Cottage industries are set up by people in their own homes. A few people work with simple tools and use raw materials available nearby. Some such industries are weaving cloth on handlooms, extracting oil, grinding flour, handicrafts, making toys, cane furniture, and leather goods. The small scale industries use small machines. Few workers are employed there. These industries mostly produce consumer goods such as garments, utensils, plastic goods, household electrical goods, etc. Large scale industries. These industries employ a large number of skilled laborers. Raw materials are used in huge quantities. The finished goods produced are in huge quantities and of high value. Examples of these industries are the iron and steel industry, shipping industry, and automobile industry. Large scale industries are generally located in areas where raw materials, labor, and sources of power are easily available. Most of them are located in or near big cities. Cotton textile. India is one of the world's leading producers of cotton textiles. There are over 2,000 cotton textile mills located mostly around Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Kanpur, Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Varanasi, and Panipat. The black soil found in Gujarat and Maharashtra is suitable for growing cotton. Woolen textile mills. These are located at Amritsar, Ludhiana, Panipat, Kanpur, Mumbai, Mirzapur, Jamnagar, and Srinagar. Silk textile mills. These are located at Bangalore, Mysuru, Kanchipuram, Coimbatore, Surat, Murshidabad, Varanasi, and Bhagalpur. The soil and climate of West Bengal are suited for the cultivation of jute. Jute needs a hot and humid climate and soil that can hold water. Sugar mills. India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world after Cuba. Sugar mills are located in the sugarcane producing states of Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, and Tamil Nadu. Iron and steel industries. Most of the iron and steel plants are located near the coal and iron ore mining regions. The main centers are Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Rourkela, Salem, Visakhapatnam, and Burnpur. Automobile factories. The automobile factories are located at Gurgaon, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Jabalpur, Jamshedpur, and Nashik. The railway equipment industries are located at Chittaranjan, Varanasi, Kapurthala, Kolkata, and Perampur. Electronic goods industries are located at Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Coimbatore, Pune, Lucknow, Kolkata, Delhi, and Panchkula. Engineering goods. Goods like watches, machine tools, telephones, and tractors are made by engineering industries located at Bangalore, Kanpur, Mumbai, Gurgaon, and Kolkata. In the past few years, the telecom, computer software, and BPO industry, popularly known as call centers, have grown tremendously. India is now regarded as a leader in making computer software. Major software producing centers are Chennai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad.